Good day, this is the Professopher, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Tuesday, December 27, 2022. It is 5:42 and 0 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, lung cancer. So let's jump to it here. The new bacterial therapy approach to treat lung cancer. Columbia biomedical engineers developed therapeutic strategy to combine bacterial therapies with pharmaceutical drugs. Date December 26, 2022. Source: Columbia University School of Engineering and Applied Science. Researchers report that they have developed a new experimental pipeline to combine bacterial therapy with current cancer drugs. And their study, which explores resistance to bacterial therapy at a molecular level, has achieved better treatment efficacy without additional toxicity in laboratory models. The researchers envision a fast and selective expansion to their pipeline to improve treatment efficacy and safety for solid tumors. The team used RNA sequencing to discover how cancer cells were responding to bacteria at the cellular and molecular levels. They built a hypothesis on which molecular pathways of cancer cells were helping the cells to be resistant to the bacteria therapy. And to test their hypothesis, the researchers blocked these pathways with current cancer drugs and showed that combining the cancer with bacterial toxins is more effective in eliminating lung cancer cells. They validated a combination of bacteria therapy with AKT inhibitor as an example in mouse models of lung cancer. And this new study describes an exciting drug development pipeline that has been previously unexplored in lung cancer, the use of toxins derived from bacteria. The preclinical data presented in the manuscript provides a strong rationale for combined research in this area, thereby opening up the possibility of new treatment options for patients diagnosed with this lethal disease. The researchers plan to expand this strategy to larger studies in preclinical models of difficult to treat lung cancers and collaborate with clinicians to make a push for the clinical translation. And this is the Professopher, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.